cough, lethargy. Sometimes they'll like hack up a little bit of foam, exercise intolerance, sometimes decreased appetite. No real need to panic. It's not something that's going to take a dog's life like that. It's going to be something that if you're going to notice they're getting worse, you should have at least have time to get checked out, get medications on board.
Be potentially an atypical course of our respiratory disease in dogs. And that's what has us most alarmed, is the typical course. We're used to that, but these cases tend to be testing negative to our normal agents that cause the disease and have a really prolonged course of the disease, up to 4 to 6 weeks. Risk level for your individual dog. Make sure you've got them vaccinated for our known diseases. The better they can fight off our typical diseases, the better they'll be able to fight off anything new.